When I look into your holiness, when I gaze into your loveliness, when all the things that surround become shadows in the light of you. When I found the joy of reaching your heart, when my will become enthroned in your love, when all the things that surround become shadows